Hey guys, it's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. I'm excited today because we got a brand new Dimplex Revillusion fireplace with the concrete backing. This is the 36 portrait, and then we have the traditional 42-inch with the herringbone panels. Now the reason I'm excited is because the Dimplex Revillusion is our best-selling traditional electric fireplace. With their sort of anti-glare technology and the flame sort of coming up in the middle, it's been our best seller by far. But the biggest drawback or complaint we've had with the product is that some people don't like the herringbone. It's been sort of either a love-hate type thing with no other cosmetic options, so that's been kind of annoying. So they've come out with this new background. I'm going to dim the lights and let's go over what it looks like here. So you can see a side-by-side of it. So what I personally like about it is it sort of gives us these darker, more neutral colors. And I think that flat panel gives us a more realistic fireplace feel. I'll give you some close-ups, but it's sort of lighter on the bottom and sort of black and sooty at the top, just like a real fireplace with sort of some splits across the middle. So I'm gonna start dimming through some of the nightlight settings so you can see what it looks like here. And then same, that's when it's off. So there's that. Go toggle through some colors here between the two so you can see. I'm going to give you some close-ups of this too. But personally, I think it looks the best off just because I think that's when it looks the most realistic. What else is really cool is Dimplex is coming out with new logs. So we'll have new birch sort of white aspen logs, which I think are going to look great with this sort of gray panel. And also like a split oak. So I have multiple log sets. If you already have a Revillusion, you can change out the logs, you can retrofit them. We're going to do a video of that once they come in. But again, this will give you a side-by-side of the concrete panels with the herringbone. So if you've been in the market for this, but you just can't get past the herringbone, well now you have this option, which I think is going to be eventually taken over as a better seller. We'll see what happens here. If you have any questions, you can call or text our staff at 303-800-5659. You can check out these products on our website at embersliving.com. Don't forget, if you're in the Denver metro area, come down to our showroom. We're in Westminster, Colorado. See these products in person for yourself. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.